Hey guys, here's how to apply multiple material on one object in Blender. First, let's change this window to shader editor. Now we click this slot button and add slot. We can add material first in the slot 1. Now head to edit mode. Select the face you want to add the second material and click assign. Select the material while we are still in the slot 2 and that's it. If you already fixed the problem, congrats! But if it's not or you want to learn more, please keep watching. Sometimes the objects are more complex and it will be tiring if you select the face one by one. So there are faster ways to select multiple faces. Usually a complex model consists of multiple mesh or loose parts that are joined together. Let's say we want to change this cushion material. This cushion can be selected by pressing L while hovering your cursor on the selected part. Now we do the part like before. Add new slot and assign that selected face. By the way, I made this chair and you can download it for free. I will put the link on the description. You can also change that selection like material, UV, seam or sharp. For example, if I press L on the chair's leg and choose different option, the face selection is also changed. This method may not work, like if your object is made from one single mesh or sculpted before because there's no loose part. But you can still try selecting by material or UVC mode. That's it, hope it's helpful and I will see you guys on the next video.